Pleased to meet you here at Grap Coin. There has been little progress on another video related to the ICP since the last one. Price action is dull and uninspiring, and all we can see is intraday range bound noise. Even so, there is a generally stable pattern, and although the ICP chart points to future potential, I also perceive a possibility of a fall. In this second wave of the market's upswing, we're currently seeing prices rise from the low on September 23rd as part of a possible 5-wave move into the highs in March. This bodes well for bullish interpretations moving forward, and for the continued bullish market sentiment, the only remaining question is the extent of the market's current pullback, and a break below $10 would confirm a severe pullback. About the $12 mark, this is what looks like a 1-2 arrangement to me. However, it might also be called an AB setup or just AB. Either way, it makes sense. The March low, though, is particularly important, so I've underlined it. In order to remove this form of support, that level needs to break. Then, as the red arrow indicates, there might be a dip into the lower support region. This is necessary for a wave 2 pullback. We might expect a certain amount of unpredictability because the ICP chart has been showing a downward trend for quite some time, but real ab pattern, not merely a precursor to one, is what we're after. Think of this as a potential chart that goes up, reason being a C wave or third wave rally is still possible, even if we miss the yellow support area. On the other hand, we may provide a more sturdy structure by building a lovely low in this support area. The market is currently in a sideways trend with multiple double and triple bottoms, which usually don't tell us much or serve as. I would like to think of it as a minor dip rather than a full-scale breakdown into the support level, considering that the last movements have all been upward corrective. Great patterns of reversal or excellent basis from which to launch a rally, in other words. The yellow band shows that this area provides almost normal support between the first rise and the March highs. Here you can find a reference point for your initial or final distance measurements. Once we fall below $433, the probabilities of the market falling to a new naked bottom change. Nevertheless, I do not anticipate a price decline to that level, so my focus is on the $762 to $961 region, which encompasses both the 50% and 38.2 retracement levels. To a perfect world, prices would be staying put. No matter how bad things go, the pricing should stay about the same. That is helpful in the short run since we need to go past 1070. This is followed by a Fibonacci projection based on the chance that we cause this fall, which gives us $962, $760.62, and $860.62, and $865. Take this scenario, we may have initiated this decline, the A wave may have already bottomed out, the B wave may have topped off, and the forecasted decline of the C waves is now underway. Having said that, it's clearly, though it isn't descending to its expected extent, this C wave has likely already begun with 2 setups, a third wave down, and finally a 45-degree wave. Even if a decline does occur, it will have to stay below the level of resistance. It seems to me that there is a 1-2 setup for the decline if the initial barrier is respected, which is between $145 and $15.34 for the rally was 3-way, so a decline is possible, but a bigger B wave is also possible. However, it is clear that anything over $15.34 for major, therefore we should probably prolong the B wave. Although this would not have an impact on acceptance as a whole, it may indicate that the corrective wave structure is undergoing temporary changes. I know it seems like there will be no end to the correction at the moment, but with that, I will end my update on ICP. Hopefully this will captivate you. Then hit that like button if you agree. Trading within a range can always yield a profit. Add some flair to the chart if it seems uninteresting. How things are seen is the key. Your time spent viewing Grap Coin is much appreciated. Become a subscriber and leave a comment. Leave it.